Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to add a member to a Notion workspace. To add a member in your Notion workspace, first of all, open up your Notion application on your mobile device or your desktop and then log into your account. From the home page, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and from the menu that pops up, tap on Members. Now, click on Add Member from the top of the screen. Enter the name or email of the person you would like to add. After typing down the email, select the person from the search result from the bottom and then tap on Invite at the top right. The invited person will receive an email. They'll need to open up the email and then click on Accept Invite. Once they accept, they'll appear in your members list. So that's how you can easily add members to a Notion workspace. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.